Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Loach is my name, a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Those are the three pillars we are looking at. Today's topic is very simple. Make 1,000 shillings daily in the stock market. Make 1,000 shillings daily in the stock market. How do you do it? How you do it is very simple. What I tell people is this. Buy KCB at 40 shillings. It rises to 45, sell. If you buy 100 shares of KCB, or let's say, for a good figure, let's say 1,000 shares. If you buy 1,000 shares of KCB, it is 1,000 times 40 shillings, it is 40,000. It goes to 45 shillings and you sell. So 1,000 shares of KCB will give you 5,000 shillings profit. Next, move to another share. Buy Bamburi at 34. It goes to 38, sell. You will have made 4,000 shillings if you're working with 1,000 shares. Next, buy DTB. I told guys buy DTB. Buy DTB at 55 or 54. It dropped to 54. It moves to 60, sell. Make your 6 shillings. For 1,000 shares, you make your 6,000 shillings. So this is what we are repeating every day. There's nothing else to do. Niyo tu. Buy, sell. Buy, it rises, sell. Buy, it rises, sell. Buy, it rises, sell. And you do that every day, many times. So basically I'm saying make 1,000 shillings, sell. Make 2,000 shillings, sell. Make 3,000 shillings, sell. Let me give you a short, I don't know whether to call it a story or an example. In December last year, now we are in 2022, in December last year, in my VIP group, I recommended for people to buy EABL. EABL was about 148, 149, 150. So I told guys buy EABL. This thing, as I'm seeing it, this thing will go up. So of course guys bought. Then when it went to a high of 168, that was a difference of about 16 shillings. I told guys, the way I'm seeing this thing, please sell. So we have a few people who sold. There's a lady called Ale. I met her, by the way. Ale is just her Telegram name. She stays in Ngara. I went to Ngara, Pangani Ngara area. We met and talked. She even bought a copy of my book. Congratulations, Ale. I'm happy for you. Now, this lady, she's become smarter. When EABL was selling at 168, she realized she could not get 168. So what did she do? She lowered her price to 167 and sold. And so she made some profits. Now we have another lady called Kathy. Now Kathy was stuck at 168. If it's not 168, she's not selling. Of course, Kathy didn't sell. And what happened? The share went down. We have also my good friend Ereng, Sekon Ereng. Sekon Ereng says, hey, hana haraka. Yeye atangoja. Sekon ataki hizi ma 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Anataka kukula kama iko kubwa. Bwana Sekon Ereng, wewe hatutakubaliana na wewe. Najua wewe ni mkubwa wangu, but hatutakubaliana na wewe. Mimi naambia watu wakule kidogo na move. Kula kidogo, move. Kula kidogo, move. Kula kidogo, move. Kila siku ni kukula. Sekon Ereng hataki hiyo, anataka ngoje kubwa. Haya, tutaona kama hiyo kubwa itawak ama hiyo kubwa haitawak. But generally speaking, guys, my principle is very simple. 1 year has 365 days. I'm not saying you make 1,000 every day because Sunday you can't make money. Saturday you can't make money. The market is closed. The market is closed. So you can only make money Monday to Friday. So there are 5 days in a week to make money. Now, 5 days in a week also, you may not be able to make money because you may need to sell. Some you need to delay. Some have not risen up. So I'm working with a figure. I'm working with a figure of, let's say, if you buy KCB at 40 and sell at 45, and you are working with 1,000 shares, if you make that 10%, then that is 5,000. So in a week, you can make 5,000, which to me is okay. Next week, again, work with another stock or share. Another week, work with another stock or share. If you can repeat that times 5 weeks, that is 20K. For me, that is okay. It is free money. You didn't have it. Now you have it. 20K free. If you keep doing that, in a year, you will have made 5,000 in a week, times 52 weeks, you'll have made to 50,000. It is okay. If you keep repeating that for 5 years, you have 1 million. It is okay. Once you have your 1 million and you keep compounding it and growing it, after 7 years, 1 million has grown to 10 million. It is okay. You've achieved your goal. Kula kidogo, enda zako. Eat a little and proceed to the next shares. There are so many shares. Eat a little here, a little there, a little there, a little there, a little there. A little. We have 60 stocks, and you need to eat from all of them. Eat here, eat here, eat here, eat here, eat here. Eat in all of them. I'm reading Jim Cramer. I'll be reading this the whole month. So the whole month, where is Utazoya? I'm reading Jim Cramer and borrowing a lot of lessons from him. This is what Jim Cramer says. But there, as I told you, these are not my ideas. I'm just borrowing other people's ideas and applying them in Kenya and helping us make money. I help myself make money and I help you also make money. This is what Jim Cramer says. This chapter is about trying to get as much mileage out of stocks as possible, but not as much as you hang on while the stock jumps off the track. A stock can jump off the track like a railway, like a train, or plummets through the broken trestle. Sometimes you've got to jump off the train to survive. I repeat, sometimes you have to jump off the train to survive. It goes up, make you a profit, 1,000 shillings, 2,000 shillings, 5,000 shillings, jump. Sometimes you have to jump off the train to survive. It is not a sin to do so. And of course, it would be pretty stupid if you knew a crash was coming and you stuck around it. I repeat, it is pretty stupid if you knew a crash is coming and you stuck around and wait for the crash and you get crashed. Tumia akili mtu wangu. Use your brain. These things are unpredictable. What I'm trying is to help you predict them. To survive, eat a little and go home. Eat your 5%. Even 5% is okay. Don't aim for 10%. Even 5% is okay. 5% pure profits is okay. 6% pure profit is okay. If you get 10% pure profit, it is good. But sometimes it doesn't work. If you get 10, 20, 13, 15, 40, you are okay. But 20% is risky. 30% is risky. 40% is risky. Inaweza poromoka saa yoyote. Na iporomoke na wewe. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have made 1,000 shillings in the stock market, type yes. Let me know, which stock did you buy? Did you make money? Did you make losses? Why did you make money? Why did you make losses? What trick did you use? Share the magic. If you've not made money in the stock market, share with me, which stock are you holding? What price did you buy it at? What price are you planning to sell it? How can I help you? Share, comment on the comment section. I will respond. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Bye. See you in the next video.